Question number 16. Cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. Very simple. So LHS is cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x and is equal to, now here C minus C, right, represent as a sum of difference. What is C minus C? Minus 2 SS, and here S minus S, that is 2 CS, right? So we write minus 2 SS, that is sin. The sum of angle 9 plus 4, 14. 14 by 2 is 7x. Then again sin here, C minus C, that is minus 2 sin. And now difference of angle 9x minus 5x. What is it? 4x. 4x divided by 2, we get 2x divided by. Again here sin minus sin, so 2 CS. So we write 2 cos 17 plus 3x, 20. 20 by 2, that is 10x. Then sin, right, CS, the difference of angle 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 by 2, that is 7x. So these 2 cancel, sin 7x is cancelled, so it will remain minus minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. So we require RHS, right? So similarly you can solve question number 17, 18, 19 and 20, right? 20 I am going to solve. So you can solve the 17, 18 and 19. I leave for you. I am going to solve 20 now. Now question number 20. Sin x minus proved x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. Right, very simple. LHS is equal to sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x. So to set the formula, in that was we have formula cos square x minus sin square x is equal to what? Cos 2x. To set the formula, we take minus sign common from here. So also we take common minus sign from the numerator also, right? So we take minus sign common from the numerator, you get sin 3x minus sin x, and from denominator also minus, we get cos square x minus sin square x. So minus plus, minus sign cancelling. Now again here sin minus sin, difference as a product. So 2cs, s minus s is equal to 2cs, so we write cos. Right, the sum of angle 3x plus x by 2, that is you get 2x. 3x plus x is 4x, 4x by 2 is 2. Now difference of angle 3x minus x, that is 2x, and 2x is divided by 2 means x only, and this is nothing but cos 2x. Identity we have cos square x minus sin square x is nothing but cos 2x. So cos 2x is cancelled, and therefore we get 2 sin x and is equal to RHS. One more sum here we solve. Question number 21. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x whole is equal to cot 3x. See here, in RHS we require cot 3x. Cot 3x means cos 3x upon sin 3x, which is given here in as a middle term here, cos 3x and sin 3x. We keep cos 3x and 3x as it is. We are in the first and last first. So write LHS cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x. Similarly, in denominator sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Right, as we require cot 3x, the some student doing like this. These two cancel. This sum is not required, so cancel, and we get cos upon sin, that is cot 3x, that is wrong, right? Addition is given, it is not in a product. Remember this. So now apply the formula. C plus C is equal to 2cc, and here s plus s is equal to 2sc. So we write here 2c cos 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, that is 3x. And now difference, cos. Difference is what? 4x minus 2x is 2x by 2, that is only x, plus cos 3x. Right, similarly here, s plus s, the 2, what? sc. 2 sin 3x into cos x plus cos 3x. So take common cos 3x, which is required in numerator, cos 3x to get cot 3x, right? So 2 cos x plus 1 whole divided by, similarly, here sin 3x. The sin 3x is common. Sin 3x is common. What will remain? 2 cos x plus 1. You see the same bracket you get in numerator denominator cancel. And what is the required ratio is cos upon sin, and that is nothing but cot 3x is equal to RHS. Okay, now question number 22. Cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. We have to prove, right? So we write a 3x is this equal. 3x is equal to what? 2x plus x. So we write this formula. 3x is equal to 2x plus x. Simple addition. Now, as we require the function in terms of cot, the LHS, right, result in terms of cot, so we apply cot on both sides. So we write cot 3x is equal to cot 2x plus x. Right, cot 3x. So therefore, cot 3x. Now apply the addition formula for cot alpha plus beta. So what is it? Cot 2x into cot x. Here plus sign and get minus sign here. Divided by, the first we write cot x plus cot 2x. Right? Cot x plus cot x. What is cot alpha plus beta? Cot alpha plus beta is cot alpha cot beta minus 1 upon cot beta plus cot alpha. Similarly, cot alpha minus beta is cot alpha cot beta plus 1 upon cot beta minus cos alpha. Right? So now we have 1. So cross multiplication. What is cross multiplication? Cot 3x is multiplied with cot x plus cot 2x and is equal to 1 into this way cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Right, simplify this, and here also we have cot 3x into cot x plus cot 3x into cot 2x is equal to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Right, change the side of these two functions and one this side. So therefore change the sign of trigonometric function and constant 1. So we get here cot 2x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x is equal to 1 is required result. So here with the required cot x into cot 2x minus cot 3x cot 2x 3x into cot x minus cot 3x into cot 2x is equal to 1 is the required result. Very simple. So again we write here, see the note, what is here, alpha plus beta plus gamma is 0. Remember here we have written for the tan also. This is alpha plus beta plus gamma, or we write theta here. Theta is equal to 0. Then for that one, cot alpha, right? Alpha plus the cot beta into theta. So this result will be cot beta into cot theta minus cot alpha into cot beta minus cot beta into cot theta is equal to 1. Right, from this result 3x minus 2x minus x is equal to 0. Right, if alpha plus beta plus theta is compared with this. Question number 23, prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into bracket 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x. That is, see this side LHS side angle is 4x and RHS side angle is only x, right? That is, we have to represent tan 4x in terms of tan x. Express tan 4x in terms of tan x. Now we have to make angle small, right? The first LHS we write is tan 4x. Right? We apply the formula of tan 2x. Tan 2x is equal to what? 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Or tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So we write this is tangent of 2 into 2x. Right. For convenience, we write 2 theta, where theta is equal to what? 2x. Now apply the formula. We have written tan 2 theta. That is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Right. So now substitute theta is equal to 2x. Theta is equal to 2x here upon 1 minus tan square 2x. Now again apply the formula of tan 2x. So write this equal to 2 into bracket 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, right, whole divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. So we write here 1 minus 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. Remember this square here, right? Now simplify. So in numerator you get 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x only, whole divided by. Now take LCM here. 1 minus tan square x whole square here, multiply with 1. 1 minus tan square x whole square. And here we get 2 square minus 4 tan square x. Right? Whole divided by what? 1 minus tan square x whole square. So obvious this numerator is denominator is multiplied in a numerator of a numerator. So by simplification we get 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x whole square divided by, we write this simply as we simplify we expand this bracket 1 minus, what is your 1 minus tan square whole square, that is 1 minus 2 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x minus 4 tan square x, right, minus 4 tan square x bracket over, and this denominator to numerator is multiplied in a numerator, so you get 1 minus tan square x, right, you get in denominator numerator 1 minus tan square x is the one common factor, so this square 1 minus tan square x cancel with the one factor here, so what is remain 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by, simplify the like term here, 1 minus 2 minus 2 tan square and 4 minus 4 tan square are like term, so we write 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x with the required RHS, right. So be careful in simplification. Now question number 24. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Right, that is 4x. Angle is 4x here, angle is x in RHS. So we have to represent cos 4x or express in terms of sin x and cos x only. So LHS is equal to, we write cos 4x, right? Again we write this is 2 into 2x, right? For convenience we put 2x is equal to theta, where theta is equal to 2x for convenience, right? And we suppose 2x is equal to theta, and cos theta is equal to, we write for cos square theta minus sin square theta, right? Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta, or 2 cos square theta minus 1, or 1 minus what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. You can use any one formula. So I apply here cos square theta minus sin square theta, right? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. The substitute value of cos 2 theta, this is the identity, cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now substitute theta is equal to 2x again, cos square 2x minus sin square 2x, right? We may apply cos square 2x minus sin square 2x, right? Now we have also one formula, cos square alpha minus sin square beta is what, cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta, right? We may apply this, but we have to convert this is into what? This is into angle half, 2x convert into x. So we write cos square 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 whole square. Sorry, we write here better cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x will be written as cos square x minus sin square x, and it's square. This is a formula of cos 2x and square is given, and sin 2x is what? 2 sin x into cos x whole square. This is a formula of sin 2x, right? Whole square. Now simplify. Expansion of bracket a minus b whole square. So what is it? Cos raised to 4x. Cos square x whole square, that is cos raised to 4x. Middle term minus 2 first and last term. Cos square x into sin square x. And what is last term? The square of the last term. That is sin raised to 4x. Square is 4. Here we get minus 4 sin square x into cos square x. See here, cos raised to 4 plus sin raised to 4, we add in first two term. Cos raised to 4x plus sin raised to 4x. And minus, what is here? Minus 2 cos square x and minus 4 sin square x into cos square x. 2 cos square x into sin square x and minus 4, that is like term. So simplified is minus 6 sin square x into cos square x. Now we apply the identity for this. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1, but here power is what? 4. So it is not 1. So we have to convert into square first. Now for this, we apply this identity. So we know that a plus b wholes a square plus b square will be written as a plus b whole square. What is the extra term here? Middle term plus 2ab is extra, so we write minus 2ab. Right? So we apply this identity for first two term. So cos raised to 4x will be written as cos square x whole square plus sin square x whole square minus 6 sin square x into cos square x. Right? In this identity, for first two term only, this remains as it is. No need to touch this term. Right? So what is here? A is equal to 2 cos square x. Here put a is equal to cos square x and b is equal to sin square x. So what is here? Cos square x plus sin square x whole square minus 2 times cos square x into sin square x. So by identity we get here cos square x plus sin square x whole square minus 2 a, that is cos square x into sin square x minus 6 sin square x into cos square x. Remember this identity here. Right, again here we get cos square x plus sin square x is identity 1 square minus, see the 2 cos square sin square x minus 6 sin square x cos square like term. So addition will be minus 2 minus 6 is 8 cos square x into sin square x, and is equal to get 1 minus 8 cos square x into sin square x. So this is your RHS. So here you have to remember this identity: a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. The last sum of the exercise 3.3, question number 25. Right, prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So we have to express cos 6x in terms of cos x. Right, again we apply here LHS is cos 6. So multiple formula here. So we may write cos 6x will be written as either 6x will be written as either 3 into 2x or 6x will be written as 2 into 3x. Right? Anyone. So we apply here cos 6x is equal to 2 into 3x or 3x into 3 into 2x. So we write here cos 6x will be written as 3 into 2x. Right? For convenience, we substitute 2x is equal to theta, cos 3 theta, where theta is equal to 2x. Now we apply the formula cos 3 theta. What is cos 3 theta? Cos 3 theta is 4 minus, you have to remember like this, 4 minus theta, 4 cos 2 theta minus 3 cos theta. So what is it? Formula cos 3 theta, we have written this already, 4 cos 2 theta minus 3 cos theta. right? The substitute theta is equal to 2x, right? 4 into so cos 2x whole cube, right? Cos 2x whole cube minus 3 cos theta, so cos 2x, right? Put theta is equal to 2x. Now see, RHS require in terms of cos x, so we better we write cos 2x in terms of cos x only. So we have three formula. Cos 2x is both cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square x. From this three we write 2 cos square x minus 1. Why? We require RHS in terms of only cos x. So we write here 4 in bracket 2 cos square x minus 1. This is a formula of cos 2x cube minus 3 into, here also we write 2 cos square x minus 1, right? Now expansion of a minus b whole cube. What is it? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Remember this. So we write a expansion of this 4 into bracket, right? First term cube 2 cos square x cube minus 1 cube minus 3ab, right? That is 3 into 2 cos square x into 1, 3ab into bracket a minus b, that is 2 cos square x minus 1, right? Bracket over here 4 into expansion of a minus b whole cube 2 cos square x minus 1 whole cube, and this is simple. Simplify this, minus 3 into 2, that is 6 cos square x, and minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3, right? Now simplify this. What is it? Is equal to 4 into bracket 2 cos square cube, right? 2 cos square x cube, that 2 cube is 8, and cos square cube, that is cos x to 6x, right? Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Then now 3 to the, simplify this, 3 into 2 cos square x into 2 cos square, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, and cos square into cos square, that is cos raised to 4, 2 plus 2, addition of power, right? So you get minus 12 cos raised to 4x, right? And then this 3 to the 6 cos square x is multiplied with minus 1, right? So minus minus plus 6 cos square x, bracket over minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Right is equal to, simplify this, 8 for the 32 cos raised to 6x minus 4 minus 12 for the 48 cos raised to 4x plus 24 6 for the 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. So we arrange the term and simplify also, right, in ascending order of power. So first biggest power is 6, so we write 32 cos raised to 6x. Then see only single term here with power 4, so we write minus 48 cos raised to 4x. Now here two terms are like term here, 24 and cos square x and 6 cos square x. 24 minus 6 is 18 cos square x, and the constant term minus 4 and plus 3 is minus 1 is the required RHS. Yes. So here we finish the 3.3. Next time we start the trigonometric equation, that is new topic in next lecture. So thank you very much.